I want to show you today that I have a drill made specifically for glass. All right, I'm going to set that drill up, and I've got a little problem with my windshield right here. Okay, see if I can get you set up a little better. Of course, I dropped the first little drill on the ground, and I can't find it. But this is what it looks like. Let me get up over here. Now my crack in the window runs from here right down to right here. Right down to right there. I am going to drill just past where that crack stops. Okay? And that's with this drill here. So I'm going to turn it on and start drilling. Okay? I gotta tighten this up just to here, the collar. Okay, there we are. Let's see if I can bring it a little closer so you can see what I see. Okay, we're right here. All right, and that's what I'm drilling, that little end of the crack. Okay, I'll drill a little bit more now. Had to tighten the bit up because sometimes the drill seems to slip. Let me bring you in one more time. Show you what I'm getting at. There we are. You see the little pieces of glass coming out of there? Now what's going to happen there, okay, we'll take a good look at that. We can see it. Let me shut this off. Okay. Now we have a little divot right here in the window. A little recess, a little chip out. All right. Now that is going to stop this crack from getting any bigger and going past that. All right. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have to clean the windshield. I'm going to have to put some some kind of nano crack filler. That's all powdered glass there. And I'll be able to push on the window from the inside to get the crack filler to go into the crack. And then I'll be able to tap on the window. And then that crack should not go any further than right there. So let's get you set up. And I'm just going to drill just for another couple of seconds. And that's going to be it. Now what you want to do is you want to make a little bigger hole than the drill, all right? And that's what I've done. So as long as I followed the directions correctly, that crack should not go past this point here, all right? We'll continue on probably tomorrow when I can get this filled in. And there's another piece up here, but for that, I'll just get some of the glass out of here. You can see it right there. Thanks for watching.